Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WordPress website. So first of all, you need to log in on WordPress, then go to plugin, then click on add a new plugin. Then here are type updraft. Okay, you need to install this plugin, then click on activate. Now go to setting option. You need to change some option. So first of all, go to setting. If you want to set automatically backup, then this is a manually automatically. So I set up weekly, then I retain this many schedule for backup. I select 5. You can choose any others. Then so now choose your storage. So if you want to choose this one, and email, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. Okay, I want to save now Google Drive. Then click on save changes, then sign in. You need to authentication with your Gmail, then click on continue, then select all, again click on continue. Setup complete. Okay, now click on backup now. You can see it's already started. Okay, it's finished. So when you some changes and you want to restore your account, just go to this option, then click on restore. Just if you click on restore, that will again set up on your WordPress website. So if you have found this be helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.